So the next thing we are going to do now is to verify your business center. This is where you need your ID card, and I told you earlier. All right, I know you are familiar with this page right now. Okay, so we'll click on this account. Okay, so when we click on this account, you will see the business account that we created before, right? So this is the business account that we created before. Can you see? Okay, so what we need to do now, I'm going to click on the business. Can you see? This is the business that we created before. I will click on it. So when you click on your business account, there are two things that they're asking for. They're asking for you to verify your business account, and then to also connect your card, your payment method. So as you click on the business center, when you click on the business center, you will see this. Can you see this unverified? This is the business that we created, the business center that we created. So beside it, you see unverified, and when you beside it, you will see this account is not verified, and you will see verify this business. Okay, and you click on it. Okay, so under this verify this business, can you see verify your business? You see business information. Then after that, you see business account. So I would advise you to click on individual. Don't click on business, because if you click on business, TikTok will ask you for your tax payment record, your CAC, TIN number, and all that. So you have to click on individual. So but at this junction, can you see that the individual is not clickable? So at the bottom here, you will see edit information. Okay, so I'll click on this edit information. After clicking on the edit information, can you see that the individual is now visible for me to click? Then I will click on individual. All right, so then at this junction, I'm going to put my full legal name, your full name written on your valid ID card. As I said earlier, that you need two things: your valid ID card and your payment and your card payment method. So I'm going to put a rename on this. So okay, and then the way it is written on my valid ID card. All right, so here the company website, you can put your, is optional, so you can leave it blank if you don't have a website. As you can see, I just put this website there. Okay, so the industry, let me skip that for now. So let's go straight to the verification documents. So under the verification documents, you have to select the type of ID card you want to use. So let me select I'm using passport. Okay, so I'll click on upload. Okay, so you can either upload JPEG, PDF, and all that. So let me click my passport has been uploaded. So you'll put the ID number. Okay, I'm going to cover this so that you won't see my ID number. Okay, all right, so if you have additional document that you want to add, you can easily add it. Okay, so the industry, so it's a must that you click on, you select the industry. Okay, so what you need to do, you can either click on not applicable if you are into alcohol, if you are into OTC, dating app, finance service, maybe all these people borrowing people money and all that, so you can click on it. So but I'm going to click on not applicable. Okay, all right, so I'm not doing any of that. All right, so then we hit the submit. So after submitting, I was taken back to this place. So what I need to do, I'll click here to go to dashboard. So now I'm going to click on this business. This is the business center that we created. So I'll click on it. So after this, we'll go into running the ad properly. So these are the necessary things that we need to do. So I'm going to click on this account. Then can you see here that status is under review? Can you see under review? Before it was not under review. So let me click here. You click on this. So when finally reviewed and approved, this will be verified. Let me just click this, verify this business. I want to see something. As I click on the verify this business, all the information that I drop are now being registered here. So can you see the information, my passport and everything? So I've been registered here. So You don't need to click on this information. So can you see here that review? So I will wait for TikTok Ad Manager to review all the information and verify it. So after that, here will be verified. So in my next class, we'll be talking about how to run the ad. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, can you please like this video? If you have anything that is not that clear to you, drop it as comments and then I will film it in my next video. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, can you please subscribe to my channel? And then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you for watching. Till we see you next time. Peace.